Hi everyone, I'm Arnav and this is Waldrive, a decentralized privacy preserving alternative to Google Drive, which is built on Suyan Walrus. Okay, so coming on to the next slide, let's discuss the problem first of all. The centralized storage limitations. So today most of us rely on the centralized storage like Google Drive or Dropbox or OneDrive, and that comes with three big issues: privacy, no real ownership, and Web3 storage is still painful. Yeah, because it has low, complex, and terrible UX. What we want is simple: a storage system with Google Drive level usability, but Web3 level privacy and ownership. Okay, so moving next. Okay, so what is the solution? Solution is the Waldrive. It gives a familiar drive interface, but under the hood, all the file metadata lives on or as user-owned objects. All file content is stored on Walrus, and the most important part, wallet addresses and blob ID are fully separated. Let's see how. Okay. So what makes Waldrive unique is when a user uploads a file, it is encrypted inside the browser using AES 256, and only the encrypted file is uploaded to the Walrus. The plain text never leaves the device, and we then store only the blob ID on SU, and the blob ID cannot reveal content, identity, or ownership. The decryption keys are derived from locally from wallet signatures using PBKDF2 with 100,000 iterations. Yeah, and the key is never uploaded and never included in any public sharing link. Even our public no wallet required share link works privately. Someone can fetch the blob from the Walrus, but all they get is encrypted data. Without the decryption key, the file is useless. So even with the public links, there is no correlation between the wallet blob and the plain text content. That is the core innovation behind Waldrive. Okay. Okay, so moving on to the next slide, these are some code proofs of how the implementation of the AES system was done, and this is like how we implemented the signature. So seeing about the competitor landscape, we still stand out because compared to the Everland and Filebase, which either sacrifice privacy or decentralization, and compared to Accord, which is expensive and slow, Waldrive sits uniquely at the intersection of high decentralization and high usability. And yeah, so now let's discuss the hackathon achievements. These are some hackathon achievements we've made, and all contracts successfully are deployed to the Sui testnet at this address. It is mentioned in the description also. Next, move to the Walrus integration. Why Walrus was included? This is why, because efficient upload process, yeah, aggregator download and privacy safe blob referencing, and this is the front end and UI, and okay, so let's discuss the future pricing model. What is customer focused? What's next? In the next phase, we are focusing on mainnet launch on Sui and Walrus and clear encryption layer, bulk uploads, better search, and a simple pricing model. Free trial 5 to 10 GB, pro tier $5 per month, and business tier with theme storage. No hype, but they are the practical next step. So closing words. Waldrive brings Google Drive level simplicity to decentralized storage while giving users true ownership, privacy, and encryption that never relies on trust. Thank you. Happy to show the demo and ready to answer the questions. Okay, thank you so much. So yeah, now let's begin with the demonstration of the website itself. And as I've said you before, in the demo PPT. So this is the plan system. So this is a basic plan system which is not implemented yet, but can be implemented in the future. FAQs and then wallet connect button. So let's go back to the home and connect just the wallet. So I've used slush for the wallet provider, and just I'm gonna approve, and we are here. Okay, so yeah, let's select let's say our logo itself and upload it to Walrus. And okay, so it has the first step as uploading to Walrus, and okay, it will take time for the next step, but yeah, waiting for transaction approval and approve. There you go, finalizing on blockchain, and yeah. Here's the logo.png. You can star this as well, and there's a recent activity log here. You just upload it. This is similar to what Google Drive shows, and you can even rename it, and there's a trash section also. And you can even recover it from trash. Every feature is made UI. You can even search in this drive, and there are options to rename, share. Okay, this share option has also share with specific addresses, so that only that addresses can open this. So you can also make this file public or private, and this also requires a GAS approval. Okay, so making this public would give you the access of the shareable. This is now public, and you can even move it into this folder, and here already there is a screenshot, and you can just organize it back to my drive, and folders can also be made from here, and this were all the features of this platform basically. So yeah, I hope you like this platform. Everything is being cryptographically helped, and as you can see here, I will show the proof on blockchain also. 43 seconds ago, there's a programmable transaction, yeah, of the this one. And let me just demonstrate you by showing a rename feature also. So logo.png, and just let's change it as logo, this one, and just let's rename. Okay, so I'm just approving. Okay, so in this way, this are all the features of this application. The complete effort was to make the UX as simple as Google Drive and make the privacy